Hey guys, Dino here from Tristano Manic, and today we're in the Philippines, El Nido, and we're off to Las Cabanas beach. So let's jump on the trike and get out of here. Just plotting a course for this afternoon. It's about 1 p.m. now, so I'm just having a look at this. We're at El Nido here. I just want to go somewhere close, Coron Beach. There's also another nice little beach they talk about down here. This one here, Las Cabanas. I've just walked out the door, just actually in the restaurant, ready to go, and there you go. Down comes the rain. So 20 minutes later and it's still peeing down, but watching this fella out here, he's got the aqua bike. Got the motorbike on there, but bit of extra water, and I think he's bogged. He's got his mates there; they'll come and help him. I'm not bloody going and get wet. Away we go! Yay! So after Las Cabanas beach, apparently there's a McDonald's there, so I might have to feed there. Haven't eaten all day. What's the name of that?
It's island is now one of the zip line.
Oh, is it a zip line?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. We're at Macca's. Alright guys, so at Macca's, no straws you can get here, which is good for the environment. But everything seems to be much the same. I just ordered on the little screen and brought my number up, and yeah, same as back in Oz, so you know, Macca's is Macca's, mate. And if it tastes different, I'll let you know. Other than that, it's just the same. I'm starving. Thank you. So there you go, that's Macca's out the way. It cost us a large Big Mac meal. Was about $9 Australian, so I think it was 312 peso. Apparently the beach is this way, we hope. We got a gym. Getting down further to the beach now, and it's probably a good 100 metres of shops there, but a lot of them are empty. But down here it's looking pretty neat. Got a few nice little cafes. So there you go, out of the mall with me tummy full of Maccas, and we're down here pretty much, I think, on Las Cabanas. Although looking at the map, this little beach here may have actually been called something else, and Cabanas is up there, but pretty much it's all one. It goes up to a point. You can see there's a zip line up here, so I might actually wander down this way just quickly. I'm going to attempt to get the drone up in the air, fingers crossed that it actually works and we're not too close to any. I gave it a test in the airports and that. I gave it a test last night, I think, in the room, or this morning, and it seemed to be going all right. So also I probably can't take it too far, because when the rain comes down here, it just all of a sudden buckets down. So if I've got it out even 100 metres, I'm taking a chance. But anyway, gotta have a crack. There's a little crab come to say g'day to me drone. Hello, mate. How are ya? He wants to go for a bit of a cruise in the drone. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. I really do put a lot of work into these, so I'd love if you could consider hitting that subscribe button. Anyway, back to the video, guys. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone work. It was good to get up in the air again. So it's beautiful, beautiful and calm here, guys. Obviously staying right over in El Nido Central there. Good to get the boats, got its own beauty, but hasn't really got a great swimming beach with all the boats and that there. So it looks like this is one of the close ones. It only took about 10 minutes, I think, to get over to this beach. So and coming up here, it looks like beautiful little resort. Nice little bar restaurant there. If you come and spend the day, I'm sure they allow public in, as long as you're paying money. Generally you can pretty much do what you want, and it's a dog's life here on the beautiful Las Cabanas beach, or near to. They've got a warning there, watch out for sea urchins, so I'd imagine that's just in the water unless they wash up. So always something trying to sting you in there. So that's quite the resort, isn't it? A beautiful view from there. Hey, very nice. Beanbag. So this here, now that we've gone around the point, I think El Nido's actually over the hill there, but this is actually I think where you'll get the sundown. We got little bracelets. Look at that, fantastic.
Black coral, tiger eye, no plastic, Macca.
That's all right, I'm fine, thank you. Not for me, thank you very much.
I'm real.
Always,
sir, no
always
plastic.
someone trying to sting you. You can sort of tell straight up when you see a sales one, whether most of them here are like, they will just be, they'll ask you and that's fine. If you say no, that's it. But you can sort of, after you travel for a while, you can sort of tell in their voice, you know, if they're going to keep hassling you. Sort of like this. She'll probably walk the whole beach with me, so. But that's part of travel. He don't care. He doesn't get hassled at all. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Fantastic. So this is the zip line here, guys. Wash feet. So got some little, well, I'd say cheaper accommodation, but it probably still costs a bit. Hello, how are you? That's good.
Yeah. How are you too?
I'm very well, thank you. Might go and get a water butt because oh, I needed that. Bloody hot. And I'm just walking to nothing. How'd you be these fellas? Hey? And as I say, I hope they got all their gear tested and tagged. Maybe there's another country I can come and set up my business in, eh? DC test and tag. Thailand and Philippines now. Bring it on, baby. No, I'm fine, thanks, mate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, that fella's good. He asked me, I said, no, thanks, I'm fine. He said, thank you, and off he goes. So, now, here we go. This is the bridge. The bridge. Whew. Got a nice little cafe. You can get a coconut. Looks like you can get a beer, bottle of rum, a tum tum. Sit down and get on it. Watch the sun go down. I'm waiting for someone to go on the zip line. Someone went earlier when I was way down the beach, but I couldn't capture it, and I don't think we would have seen it too well. Anyway, but it does go from up there down here, and I'm assuming go back that way. And this one here, this looks like we've struck the Ritz here, so we'll just go in and have a quick look. Looks like my house up there, I would imagine, at least when we come here. That's where we're camping, that's our view. Hope you're okay with that. And that's our nice little pool, and that's our little dog. And these two are reserved for us. So there you go. So apart from zip line and that, you can come and get a massage here if you want. There you go, 800 for a coconut milk.
700 for 1 hour.
How much is that, sorry?
700.
Oh, 7 is it?
Yeah.
It's on, oh okay. Body massage.
Then,
how long's that? Oh, 1 hour.
yes,
Okay, that's good.
1 hour.
No worries.
Very nice.
Okay, cool.
Relax, yes.
All right, well, I'll have a think on that. I'm just going to go for a walk. Thank you for that.
Yes.
See ya.
Sir.
So there you go. Plenty to be done here. So anyway, as we come around the point, got the main restaurant up there. Got all the fire things out for tonight. As the sun goes down in the distance, that way somewhere. And here we are right on the edge. So bring it on, eh? Beautiful. Another day in paradise with 3-star nomadic. And we caught the zip liners. There they are. So see, there is a zip line. I wasn't just joshing ya. I think there's maybe one coming the other way now too. If it doesn't rain, it pours. You go in slow motion, man. Come on, get a zip on. As we get deeper into the jungle, we find the jungle house, the cubby house, and again and again. Nice little holiday shack, house for rent. There you go. Get that number and rent the house. I reckon that's something that old mate from Blogging a Dead Horse would do. So there's a challenge to you flogging a dead horse, man. Find that, go rent it, give us a call and I'll call in for a beer. We got the guard dogs down here. So there you go. That's as far as we go. But look at this, unreal, eh? Little cubby houses. Very nice. You can see glass windows in there, so they could be probably super flash inside. Oh, it's hot. I'm not going to tell you what I feel like, because I think you can guess. If you can't afford the flash joint, there's always somewhere. And that's it, baby. That'll do me. And that'll do me. So what do you reckon the chances are on the way back getting around that lady that was trying to sell me stuff? I think she might walk with me for another 100 metres on the way back. Anyway, we'll find out in a minute. She's just up here. See how we go. Nah, it's too hot for her. So how much is it to go there and back?
1,000 for city.
1,000. So they're back, yeah? Very cool. After that, well, this is what I feel like. A bucket of beer. Yeah, baby.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
Here we are at the little cubby house point with the beautiful view with just me and you. From Nido at Las Cabanas beach in El Nido, Filipinos. We will catch you down the track. Hey guys, please consider subscribing. I really do put a lot of work into these videos, so your subscription would mean the world to me. Catch you down the track.